To make your own turkey headband, you need the turkey headband template, brown, yellow, orange, and red cardstock, large googly eyes, a red balloon, a stapler, and a paper cutter. I have attached a link to the free printable in the description box below. Download the template, print, and cut out on brown cardstock. There is also a template for the feathers. Fold a piece of yellow cardstock in half and cut out a triangle shape along the fold. Glue the bead down to the circle face of the turkey head. Now add the balloon next to the turkey beak. Add your large googly eyes. Use a stapler to add the back of the turkey headband piece to the front. Make sure to check the sizing before adding the final staple. Fold the paper strips around the back of the headband and staple them into place to act as feathers. Make sure to alternate between colors. Your child can add the headband to their head and have fun pretending to be a turkey. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.